Hope you are fine, guys. Today I am with you along with another tutorial which is going on what SFS is. It is a trending word in the modern era. What SFS is? It has these different meanings in different platforms. If we talk about Instagram or if we talk about Snapchats, there is a different meanings in different platforms for that. What simply SFS is? It is simply an acronym for shout out, spam for spam, or snap for snap. In social media language, the shout out means for you are cross promoting the content. The two individuals are cross promoting their content in order to get more followers so the content could reach to the maximum of the audiences in the world. So in Instagram, SFS simply means it helps you to grow organically on Instagram. The thrust of my tutorial is on what SFS means in Snapchat. So stay tuned, guys. So in this modern world, teens are desperately loving these snaps. That is why the thrust of my topic is on the what SFS means in snaps. It is liked by the most of the audience. If you want to learn more about what Snapchat is, what is the fun of this Snapchat, the link is in the I button and you could click on that and you will be able to learn more about that. So simply, I will share with you what SFS is because the thrust is on the SFS. By doing that, by doing the SFS, you could receive a great momentum, whether in terms of you could enhance the followers on the different social media platforms, especially on the Instagram and Snapchat streaks. And in this tutorial, I will make you learn about how to do that. So stay tuned with me and we are proceeding towards my laptop screen. Okay, so firstly go to your story and here add to your story. So here is a lot of features you can see. But before you start this feature, you must update your Instagram. So here you can see create and now turn right, and here you can see short also. At the top you can see it come to icon. So press here. You can see here. Here is our option. Thanks now again. Click app university. So here is how you can also add someone in this story. So I will add my friend. So simply I tap our name. So I will add this. So you can see is look like this. So you can also move this at the top, mid or bottom. Okay. So now type something here. So I will add this text and now you can also change the colors. You can also change the color. Okay. Now you can also add their here stickers and many more features. Okay. Now I will send it. So this is a new Instagram features. You must update your Instagram. So I hope you like this trick. So this is a new trick on Instagram. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like my video. Hope that you have understand all the steps which I was just displaying on my laptop screen. Hope you have liked this tutorial which was all about SFS. Need your support for more. If you have any other query pertaining to that, I will come up with you for you people with a logical solution for all your queries. You can ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.